To start this beautiful flower, we are going to make a chain of a multiple of 4. You can make it as long as you want, depending on how big you want the flower to be. The smaller the chain, the smaller the flower. The bigger the chain or the longer the chain, the bigger the flower. So we are going to make a multiple of 4. So my chain is 40 chains, and I'm going to turn, and in the 4th chain, 1 2 3 4, I am going to make a double crochet, then chain 4 and make another double crochet. That's the first V space. Now we are going to skip 1 2 3 4. In the 4th space, we are going to make a double crochet without chaining. We are just going to go and make a double crochet in the 4th chain. One, 2, 3, 4 after the double crochet, and in the same space we are going to make another double crochet. Again, 1 2 3 4, we make a double crochet there, chain 4 and make another double crochet in the same space. So we are going to do that until the end of our chain. Keep skipping 4 and then making a double crochet. So I've reached the end of the row, and in the last space I am going to double crochet, chain 4 and another double crochet. Then I'm going to chain 1, turn my work. So we are going to make 10 double crochet in this space here. After making that 10, we go in this space. We are going to slip stitch there, and then go to the chain, begin with a single crochet and make other 10 double crochets. That's what you're going to keep doing every time you reach in the space. When we reach the end again, we go in this space here, slip stitch, and then go in that next and make a single crochet and start our 10 double crochets again. So I kept on making 10 double crochets in each of the spaces until the end of the row, and when we reach the end of the row, we are going to slip stitch, then tie off our yarn. Leave a longer tail because we are going to use that tail to sew together our flower. We are going to take our tapestry needle and use this very tail to put together the flower. You can begin either end and you just keep rolling along. Just keep rolling until you reach the end. When we reach the end, we use our tail and we sew to make it firm. You can go through a number of times. See your flower. If you're interested in making other variations of flowers, you can go and watch this other video right here.